It is a quiet afternoon at home.
My toy car is so small and cute. I hope my friends are outside.
I will fold these clothes neatly.
Mom, can I go out and play?
Yes, Tom, you can go. Be gentle and be kind. Okay.
Mom, please, I really want to play.
All right, Tom. I trust you.
Yay, I'm ready. Shoes on. Okay, I'm going outside now.
Tom walks to the playground. The kids are laughing and running.
Hi, can I play with you?
Oh, it's Tom! Do you want to play with us?
I brought my toy car. It's mine.
Come on, let's play together!
The kids gather near the bench.
Wow, there are many toys here. My car is here. Don't fall, please.
What toy is that? Let me see.
Let me take it. I want it now.
Hey, wait!
Oh no.
What happened?
The toy hits the ground.
Tom, you did it again!
I didn't mean to.
You always grab things. That is not fair. I don't want to play.
I feel so bad. I'm sorry. Wait, please don't go. I'm alone again.
The swing moves slowly in the wind.
Everything is boring and sad. I will go home.
Tom walks under long shadows.
Why do I always make mistakes? I don't want to go inside. Stupid door, I'm still angry. Fine, I'll open it. I'm home, and I feel upset. Ugh, shoes, I don't care. Take this bag, I'm mad. I hate today, I hate it.
A toy falls and hits the floor.
Nobody likes me. I want to cry. I'm so angry.
Tom, are you okay, sweetheart? I'm here.
Leave me alone. I don't want to talk.
It's okay, Tom. I'm not leaving.
Mom, I did something bad.
It's okay. Tell me slowly.
The room feels warm and safe.
They don't want to play with me.
I understand. What did you do?
I grabbed the toy too fast.
Tom imagines funny animals in his mind.
Thank you for telling the truth.
I feel silly. Mom, do you still love me?
Always. Tom, no matter what.
I feel calmer now.
The bedroom becomes very quiet.
Melody slightly develops.
Am I a bad kid, Mom?
Local texture remains soft and very.
No, Tom. You are learning.
The curtains move softly. The sky changes into evening.
The sky looks pretty.
Piano pads very calm.
Look, Tom.
Humming returns.
Let's watch together.
The first stars appear.
I can see the stars. Wow. Mom, your love is like stars, right? Here, drink some water.
Piano
Thank you, Mom.
fades out.
I feel better.
Now go and say sorry.
Okay, I will take my toy. I'm going back. I'm nervous.
The playground is calm now.
He is coming back!
Hi, can we talk? I'm sorry. You can have my toy.
Really? You will give it to me? Okay, thank you, Tom.
The kids start smiling again.
Can I sit with you?
Yes, come here.
A ball rolls toward them.
Let's run.
Okay, let's go. Haha, this is fun.
The sun goes down slowly. Their shadows stretch long. The playground feels peaceful.
Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. I'm tired, but happy.
The stars shine above the houses.
I'm home.
Welcome back, Tom.
Mom, I said sorry.
I'm proud of you.
The house becomes quiet for bedtime.
Good night. I feel safe.
Sleep well, my little star.
Good night, Mom.
The stars glow softly in the night.